Hello, dear students. I am Dr. M. D. Pathan, Head and Assistant Professor, Department of English, Sanjuni Mahavidyalaya Chapoli. I welcome you all in the class of English Compulsory, second year. You know, in the present scenario, the world is going through very crucial situation. Due to coronavirus, entire human life across the world has been affected. Different measures are being undertaken to get rid of coronavirus. During this pandemic, online classroom is an ideal option for teaching and learning. As per the directives of UGC HRDC, Government of Maharashtra, and our parent university, Swami Ramanand Tirtha Marathwada University, Nanded, our college has decided to conduct online classes. As per the guidance of Honorable Principal of our college, I am making this video for the student of English Compulsory second year. Friends, our university has changed the syllabus of second year right from the academic year 2020-21. So in this year we have new syllabus and new question paper pattern as well. Previously we were studying English compulsory for semester 3rd for 75 marks, and those 75 marks were divided into 40 plus 35 pattern. But right from this year we will have different pattern, that is of 50 plus 25 marks. So 50 marks are allocated for end semester examination and 25 marks are for continuous assessment, that is internal evaluation. So first of all, let us glance at the syllabus which is recommended and prescribed by Board of Studies in English for the student of BCom BSc second year English compulsory. Friends, in this semester we are going to study 4 units in English compulsory. Unit number 1 is entitled as fiction. Unit number 2 is labeled as poetry. Unit number 3 is labeled as non-fictional prose. And unit number 4 is labeled as grammar and communication skills. So in the very first unit we will be studying 2 poems. The first poem is in the first unit we will be studying 2 short stories. The first short story is The Model Millionaire, and the story is written by Oscar Wilde. The second story is The Lost Child, which is written by Indian story writer Mulk Raj Anand. Unit number 2 is entitled as poetry. It comprises 2 poetry items. The first one is The Gift of India, which is written by Sarojini Naidu, and the second poem is Desiderata, written by Max Ehrmann. The third unit, non-fictional prose, has 2 non-fictional prose items. The first one is At School, written by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and second one is The Flying Sikh, written by Milkha Singh. And unit number 4 is entitled as Grammar and Communication Skills. Under grammar section we will be studying direct indirect speech of narration, and under communication skills, we will have practice of writing for the print media. So this is how for unit number for semester 3rd we will study 4 units. The first one fiction, second one poetry, third one non-fictional prose, and fourth one grammar and communication skills. So let us look at the syllabus of semester 4th for English compulsory. Then we shall come down to the question paper pattern. For semester 2nd, again for semester 4, again we will have 4 units. The first unit is labeled as fiction, second unit is labeled as poetry, third unit is non-fictional prose, and fourth unit is of grammar and communication skills. In fiction, we are going to study 2 prose short story items. Number 1, The Remorseful Sinner, written by Russian story writer Leo Tolstoy, and the second story is The Sniper, which is written by Liam O'Flaherty. In unit number 2, poetry, we will study 2 poems. The first poem is entitled as Love, written by S.T. Coleridge, and the second poem is entitled as Courage, written by Ernest Sexton. In unit number 3, which is entitled as non-fictional prose, there are 2 non-fictional prose items. The first one is To Youth, written by Sardar Bhagat Singh, and the second prose item is The Quest for Happiness, written by H.H. Dalai Lama. In unit number 4, again we will study grammar and communication skills. There are 2 bits. The first one deals with grammar, in which we will study active and passive voice. Then in communication skill, we will study writing for the electronic media. So friends, this is the syllabus prescribed for semester 3rd and semester 4th. Unit titles are the same, but the components in each unit are different. Let us come down to the question paper pattern, semester 3rd and semester 4. For semester 3rd, in our question paper, there will be 5 questions. First 4 questions carries 10 marks each, and the last question carries 10 marks, but it has 2 bits. One deals with grammar, other one deals with communication skill. So the first question is of descriptive type or essay type question. Second also is descriptive or essay type. Third also will be descriptive or essay type, and fourth also will be descriptive and essay type. So these 4 questions will be based on unit number 1, 2 and 3. In question number 5, we will have 2 sections or 2 bits. First deals with grammar and second deals with communication skill. So in semester 3rd, there will be grammar, direct and indirect speech of narration for 5 marks, and writing for print media for 5 marks. In semester 4th, the last question will be of grammar, which will be based on active and passive voice for 5 marks, and in communication skill, section B will be based on writing for the electronic media. So friends, this is the structure of question paper which will be for our end semester examination in semester 3rd and semester 4th. Let us glance at the continuous assessment during semester 3rd and semester 4th. In semester 3rd, we will have continuous assessment or internal evaluation for 25 marks. 10 marks are for class test, that will be mid semester examination for 10 marks, and either tutorial, project or viva OS will be conducted, or tutorial will be assigned to the students, or projects will be given to the students which will be for 15 marks. So this is how continuous assessment carries 25 marks. So internal evaluation carries 25 marks and end semester examination carries 50 marks. This is how English compulsory for semester 3rd will carry 75 marks. And again there is same pattern for question paper, uh, for end semester examination and continuous assessment during 4th semester also. There will be mid semester examination which will carry 10 marks, and uh, tutorial or projects or viva will be conducted for 15 marks, and this is how continuous assessment during 4th semester will be for 25 marks, and end semester examination will be for 50 marks. So friends, this is the syllabus prescribed for English compulsory second year, and new question paper pattern and new structure of continuous assessment. So with this I hope all of you have become familiar with the content of our syllabus. So friends, in the due course of time I will be uploading videos of the components included in our syllabus during semester 3rd and semester 4th, one by one. I will try my level best to present these components before you during my presentation, and if you feel something difficult to understand, please bring it to my notice through comment box. You may write your questions and queries in the WhatsApp group which is exclusively meant for the students of second year. It may be BA second year, BSc second year or BCom second year. So please wait for the videos of the components, and ultimately I appeal all of you to attend all the to watch all the videos which will be uploaded by all the faculties in our college, and ultimately I wish you all the best, and I appeal all of you to stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.